So this is the part 2 of the lesson 3. How do I study art? Reading art. So under ng reading art ay art criticism. So as you can see, the basic art criticism prepared by ni Miss Ella Marie Vibalio, the framer of the G105 ng our university. So our learning objectives of this topic is to identify and differentiate the basic steps in art criticism. The second one is to analyze and critique artworks for their formal qualities and artistic organization. So sabi ko nga kanina, artworks are didactic in nature, therefore they demand a response. Okay? However, oftentimes, being confronted by artworks is quite perplexing, meaning it is sometimes inaccessible to the commonplace person. So, if you are a work of art, how would you like to be criticized? Do you want to be judged or dismissed right away? Or would you rather be examined carefully first before arriving at a conclusion? So most of us will choose the latter. It is the same with artwork analysis and art criticism, okay? Indeed, it is more proper to know more about an artwork before arriving at a judgment. Okay? So, if ako ay magiging art, so I want to be criticized. Ano? Parang gusto ko na maging art ako na abstract. Mahirap intindihin. Joke lang. Ano? So, ayan. There are 4 steps in art criticism. Okay? So, ayan. Tignan niyo yung picture na yan. Parang may cherry blossom, di ba? May nasa ilog, then may hagdan. Ayan. So, yeah. Mag-create lang kayo. Mag-create kayo ng thoughts ninyo about that picture or about this picture. So, the first one, or the first step, ano, is the description. You need to tell what you see, based on the visual facts. So, you can, describe, kung ano yung nakikita ninyo dun sa artwork. So, sabi nga dito, our minds naturally take notice of the general information that is present. Kung ano yung nakikita natin, ayun yung mapupunan natin. Di ba? Tama ba? Kaya nga yung mga, di ba, yung mga naiinggit, kung ano yung nakikita, yun ang sinasabi or pinag-uusapan. Yung mga nagchichismis, ayun yung kung ano nakikita nila. Pero ang chismis, hindi naman kung ano yung nakikita nila. Diba? So, bakit napunta tayo sa chismis? So, the second one is the analysis. So, in this step, you need to consider the most significant art principles that were used in the artwork. We need to describe, or you need to describe how the artist used the the art principles to recognize the elements. Describe how the artist used them to organize the elements. Ayan. Okay. These are the suggested questions to help with analysis. Ito yung mga maaari nating i-consider. Okay? To to analyze ang isang artwork. Okay? How was the artist used colors in the works? What sort of effect do the colors have on the artwork? How has the artist used shapes within the work of art? How have lines been used in the work or works? Has the artist used them as an important or dominant part of the work, or do they play a different role? What role does texture play in the works? Has the artist used the illusion or of texture, or has the artist used actual texture? How has texture been used within the work? How was the artist used light in the works? Is there the illusion of a scene with lights and shadows? Or does the artist use light and dark values in a more abstracted way? How was the overall visual effect or mood of the works been achieved by the use of elements of art and principles of design? Lastly, how were the artist's design tools used to achieve a particular look or focus? So these are the guide questions or the suggested questions to help you to analyze well an artwork. The third one is the interpretation. Okay, the first one is first one. Okay, the second one. Okay, and then the third one is the interpretation. So an interpretation seeks to explain the meaning of the work based on what you have learned so far about the artwork. Okay? What do you think the artist was trying to say? Okay? Okay, yan. So, sino ba siya? Si Mona Lisa. Okay? So, di ba nga sinasabi, meron daw alampay dito si Mona Lisa na hindi na nakita, parang nagfe-fade na. Ayan. At ang kanyang mata daw, kahit saan ka tumingin ay para kang sinusundan. Okay? So, what is your interpretation on that artwork? Mona Lisa by? Okay, correct. So, these are the suggested questions to help with interpretation. What was the artist's statement in this work? How does it mean to you? How does this relate to you and your life? What feelings do you have when looking at this artwork? Do you think there are things in artwork that represent other things or symbols? Why do you think that the artist chose to work in this manner and made this kind of artistic decisions? Why did the artist create the artwork? Those are the suggested questions to help you to interpret an artwork. Okay. Fourth is the judgment. So this is your personal evaluation based on the understandings of the works. Okay, the work of or works. Ayan. So what is your judgment on that, on those pictures? So this is the first picture and this is the second picture. Dito kasama ha, design to. Conclusion. Explore your criticism of the work as much as you would any positive perceptions. Realize that your own taste and prejudices may enter into your criticism. So give your positive and negative perceptions. Okay? So, activity time. Okay. So, yung picture na yan, syempre, i-critic nyo. Art criticism. Tayo. So, i-critic nyo yung picture na yan. You may take a picture or screenshot. Yeah, so, describe, analyze, okay, bigyan nyo ng judgment, i-critic nyo. And this picture also. So, this is Spoliarium. You may, you can, search it on the, Google then. to have the cleared photo. Pixelated itong photo na ito eh. So, thank you for listening. Don't hesitate to ask any questions. Okay? Okay, kung tinatapos mo pa to, lagyan mo yung papel mo at huwag mo sasabihin sa iba ng initial ko na CJ doon sa back part of your paper. Left, bottom, back part of your paper. Okay? Thank you for listening.